Tired of drowning in employee management tasks and ready to delegate? Let's transform one of your star employees into a super efficient manager using Gusto. First, logged into your Gusto account, you'll land on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, find and click on the People tab. This is where all your employee information lives. Now, locate the employee you want to promote to a manager and click on their name to access their profile. Once you're on their profile page, look for the Job tab, typically located near the top. Click on it. Scroll down within the Job tab until you find the Manager section. This is where the magic happens. Click on the drop-down menu under Manager. This will display a list of all your current employees. Select the name of the employee's new manager, which could be you or another existing manager. Now, look for the Team Management Access or a similar section related to permissions. This is crucial. You'll likely see options like approve time off requests and perhaps other team management duties. Check the boxes next to the responsibilities you want to grant to this new manager. This gives them the power to handle these tasks for their team. Finally, and most importantly, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save button. This saves all the changes you've made to this employee's profile. Congratulations! You've successfully elevated an employee to a manager in Gusto. They can now effectively oversee their team, approve time off requests, and take on other managerial tasks, freeing up your time to focus on growing your business. Remember to communicate expectations and provide support as they transition into their new role.